Welcome, beautiful people, to this exciting video where we're diving into the powerful world of affirmations and how they can help us manifest those lottery wins. Are you ready to tap into the abundant energy of the universe and attract those winning numbers? Get ready to repeat these affirmations with us and feel the shift in your vibration. Let's get started on this journey towards manifesting your lottery dreams. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance, and money flows effortlessly into my life. I am worthy of receiving extraordinary financial blessings, including winning the lottery. I am open and receptive to all forms of abundance the universe has to offer. My mind is a powerful tool for creating wealth, and I visualize myself winning the lottery with ease. I am grateful for the wealth I already have and the abundance that is on its way. Every day, I am attracting greater and greater financial prosperity. Money comes to me easily and frequently from expected and unexpected sources. I am aligned with the energy of abundance, and the universe is conspiring to bring me wealth. I am confident in my ability to manifest financial freedom and live a life of luxury. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace a mindset of unlimited possibilities. I am deserving of winning the lottery, and I claim my prize with joy and gratitude. I am attracting the winning lottery numbers into my life right now. I am in complete harmony with the flow of abundance, and I trust that the universe will provide. My thoughts and actions are aligned with my desire to win the lottery. I am a money magnet, and wealth is constantly flowing into my experience. I am creating a life of financial freedom and abundance for myself and my loved ones. I am grateful for the opportunity to participate in the lottery and win big. I am a lucky person, and I attract good fortune into my life every day. I am open to receiving unexpected financial windfalls, including winning the lottery. I am filled with excitement and anticipation for the abundance that is coming my way. I am a lottery winner, and I claim my prize with confidence and gratitude. The winning lottery numbers are being drawn to me effortlessly. I see myself holding the winning lottery ticket and celebrating my victory. I am visualizing myself using my lottery winnings to create a life of my dreams. I am grateful for the opportunity to experience the joy of winning the lottery. I am aligned with the energy of the winning lottery numbers. I am attracting the perfect combination of numbers to win the lottery. I am excited to share my lottery winnings with my loved ones and make a positive impact in the world. I am confident that I will win the lottery soon. I am a lucky person, and I am destined to win the lottery. I am releasing any doubts or fears about winning the lottery. I am trusting my intuition to guide me towards the winning lottery numbers. I am celebrating my lottery win in advance, knowing that it is already on its way. I am grateful for the abundance that the lottery will bring into my life. I am open to receiving all the blessings that come with winning the lottery. I am excited to use my lottery winnings to create a life of freedom and joy. I am attracting the winning lottery ticket into my possession. I am visualizing myself choosing the winning lottery numbers with ease. I am filled with gratitude for the opportunity to win the lottery and change my life. I am claiming my lottery win with joy and excitement. I am surrounded by positive energy that attracts abundance and good fortune. I believe in my ability to manifest my dreams, including winning the lottery. I am filled with optimism and excitement about the future. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, big and small. I am confident that the universe is supporting me in achieving my goals. I am releasing any negative thoughts or beliefs that may be blocking my abundance. I am focusing on the positive aspects of my life and attracting more of what I desire. I am trusting the process and allowing the universe to unfold its magic. I am open to receiving miracles and surprises in my life. I am radiating love and gratitude, attracting abundance in all forms. I am creating a life filled with joy, happiness, and fulfillment. I am empowered to create the life of my dreams. I am surrounded by supportive people who believe in me and my dreams. I am taking inspired action towards my goals every day. I am celebrating my successes and learning from my challenges. I am living my life with passion and purpose. I am making a positive difference in the world. I am grateful for the opportunity to live this beautiful life. I am filled with love, light, and abundance. I am a powerful creator, and I am manifesting my dreams into reality. I am a channel for divine abundance, and wealth flows through me effortlessly. Every cell in my body vibrates with the frequency of wealth and prosperity. I am a co-creator with the universe, manifesting abundance in all areas of my life. My heart is overflowing with gratitude for the abundance that surrounds me. I am attracting opportunities that lead to financial freedom and success. I am a powerful manifester and I attract wealth and abundance with ease. I am releasing all resistance to receiving unlimited abundance. I am worthy of experiencing a life of luxury and financial ease. I am aligned with the infinite abundance of the universe. I am a money magnet, attracting wealth from all directions. I am in perfect synchronicity with the winning lottery numbers. My intuition guides me towards the winning lottery ticket. I am surrounded by the energy of luck and good fortune. I am claiming my lottery winnings with absolute certainty. I am celebrating my financial freedom and the opportunities it brings. I am using my lottery winnings to create a legacy of abundance for generations to come. I am a beacon of inspiration, showing others the power of manifestation. I am grateful for the lessons and experiences that have led me to this moment of abundance. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings and miracles in my life. I am living my life to the fullest, knowing that abundance is my birthright. I am filled with unwavering faith in my ability to manifest my dreams. I am radiating positive energy and attracting positive experiences. I am surrounded by love, support, and encouragement. I am worthy of receiving all the good things life has to offer. I am grateful for my unique gifts and talents, and I share them with the world. I am living in alignment with my highest purpose and values. I am taking care of my physical, mental, and emotional well-being. I am forgiving myself and others, releasing any past resentments. I am embracing change and growth with an open heart and mind. I am creating a life filled with beauty, joy, and adventure. I am taking inspired action towards my goals every day. I am celebrating my progress and acknowledging my achievements. I am grateful for the abundance that is already present in my life. I am expressing gratitude for the lottery win that is on its way. I am sharing my abundance with others and making a positive impact in the world. I am using my resources wisely and creating a sustainable future. I am investing in my personal and financial growth. I am learning and expanding my knowledge every day. I am living a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. I am grateful for this beautiful journey called life. And there you have it. These powerful affirmations, repeated with conviction and belief, will help you tap into the abundant energy of the universe and manifest those lottery wins. Remember, consistency is key. Make these affirmations a part of your daily routine and watch as your dreams turn into reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more manifesting tips and inspiration.